Hey, we're going to go through the Earth Space Science syllabus, and I'm going to show you how to do it, even if you don't have the paper with you. You'll have to go to Earth This Week. You're going to scroll down right here. The interactive syllabus has everything that your paper copy has, plus extra. And we're going to do this quickly, so make sure that you take your time and explore when you want, but right now, quickly. Here's the ways to contact me: phone number, email, text. Remember, you can also get hold of me in Schoology. Here's our resources that we'll be using this school year. Here's the courses, materials that you're going to need. I'm going to highly recommend that you keep a binder. You can leave it in my classroom if you want. You can take it home if you want. Lots of electronic usage in my class, especially this year. Cell phones, not to be used all the time, but they can be used appropriately. So make sure you check out what appropriately is on the electronic policy, and make sure that you know that class time is to be used for science. And if you use it wisely, we'll not have very much homework in my class. Here's our grading policies. We have 10% for assignments, 10% for notes and class participation, 30% projects and labs, and 50% have you actually learn the material. Make sure you understand that everything we do is to help you learn the material. If you don't do that, you're not going to do well on the tests and quizzes. You can retake quizzes. Take advantage of it. You can also do test corrections. This can be the difference between you passing and not passing the class. And I really do want you to pass the class. I also like to have the ability for you to choose assignments at times, or at least parts of assignments, to help you. If you miss a class or you're falling behind, be aware that at some point you're going to start losing points. And if it's after the test, it's a 0. I don't accept work after the test. You've missed the point of why you're doing the assignments. It was to help you understand the material. Okay? Basic behavior guidelines. I like to keep things super simple, guys. Be respectful, be responsible. What do I mean? Be nice. If you're talking when I'm talking, that's not very nice. Be responsible. I understand that sometimes people forget things, but I don't understand when people cheat. And if you're caught cheating, you lose your points, and so does the person you're copying off of. So, just don't do that. Some simple procedures to help clarify: be respectful and be responsible. If you have to use the restroom, try and do it before class, or wait until we have work time. There's usually work time, and during that work time, a lot of times you listen to music as long as you have your earbuds. So again, while we're going through things in class, leave those things put away, and then when we have work time, things become more flexible. Snacks and food only when they're not disruptive, and not during labs themselves, which there's now a whole lot of labs in Earth space, so that's okay. Here's some of the things that former students have said. Make sure you don't procrastinate. Ask early. Okay, do it early, because what you're going to notice is high school covers material roughly twice the speed of middle school. That means if you fall behind, it's going to be really hard to catch up. And just make sure that you're thinking about these things. I really want you to pass. We're going to do everything to help you pass. Here's all the material that we're going to cover, roughly the time frame we're going to cover them. You can check those out whenever you want. And make sure that you know that, again, Earth This Week, very important page. You're going to have the agenda, and you're going to have all your resources there. There's going to be extra help sources there as well. And if you have questions, make sure you ask, whether it be in class or sending me a message. I am more than welcome to answer those questions any way you want to ask. And that's all we have.